Hello, my name is Ravi Prasad. I am sales rep in India. Today we are going to talk about the risk of chemical injury in petrochemical industry. We will see the different stage of extraction of crude oil or natural gas up to the transformation into a various byproducts and identify those which involve the use of corrosive and irritant chemicals. Those which can cause chemical damage, burn in case of splash or on contact. It would be impossible to detail all the petrochemical process and thus establish a complete list of chemical risks in this industry. However, we will try here to give you an overview of main encounter. The petrochemical industry is organized in different stages: extraction, refining, transformation into finished product. Extraction is not part of the operation, presenting major chemical risks. So we will focus on the other two steps. Refining is the physical and chemical modification of crude oil and natural gas through a series of highly specialized manufacturing process. First fix, before this refining we use acids, caustic soda, corrosive used to desulfurize crude oil. There are two main stages to this refining. The first is distillation, means the separation of a heavy crude oil into a lighter group of hydrocarbons such as fuel oil or naphtha. It exposes worker to organic solvent. Among these solvent are toluene, benzene, xylene, but also butanon, generally irritant. The second is cracking. We break and combine the molecule to create a new byproducts that will be used in other industry, plastic, gas, creation of fuel, etc. Before being transformed into a consumable product. In general, we will do this by a process called alkylation, which use sulfuric or hydrofluoric acid or a strong base potassium hydroxide. These two products used as a catalyst are corrosive. Aside, hydrofluoric acid poses a very specific risk and is one of the most dangerous product in the industry. Do not hesitate to watch other Trevor video to inform yourself about the danger of this product. Second process which can be used is polymerization. This time it is another corrosive chemical we are going to use, phosphoric acid. This operation are carried out at very low temperature. Refrigerant system are used and therefore require the use of refrigerants such as ammonia, which is also a corrosive product. Finally, the transformation into a finished product aims to convert some of the distillation fraction into a marketable petroleum product. We generally go through a remolding of its molecule. Generally, we will use amine or caustic soda to complete the transformation, but the technique here are very diverse. The operation that the industrialist will carry out will depend on the final product that we are trying to produce. All type of irritant and corrosive can therefore be encountered. So be careful. Chemical risk also exists in many related activities such as the petrochemical industry often use large quantity of water and water treatment plant are often incorporated in factory. Watch our video on water treatment to find out more. There are many laboratory annexed to the production to carry out control but also process test. We will find there all the chemical used in industry. Storage and stripping area. The main source of accident is primarily related to the transfer of chemicals from one container or a tank to another. Maintenance. Accident can be observed during emptying, cleaning, sanitation and purging operation, but also refinery often have a large network of pipeline that needed to be maintained. The main cause of accident are chemical splash which can occur from, for example, during the bursting of pipes or pressure vessel or during the disassembly of pipes and valve. The maintenance of this installation may require welding. Stripping paste are then often used to clean the weld on the pipe. These pastes are generally composed of nitric acid, a corrosive product, and a hydrofluoric acid, the dangerous product mentioned already. In summary, it is difficult to list all of the corrosive and irritant product present in this industry because depending on the desired end product, the use of chemical can be very varied. It is therefore important in the event of an accident to have a simple universal emergency protocol for all the chemical present on your site. Training your staff at their own risk and wearing suitable PPEs will always be your best ally to avoid an accident involving the projection of chemical product. However, zero risk does not exist. Hence, the importance of having a versatile decontamination solution that will stop the aggressiveness of all this chemical. In the event of projection with one of its corrosive irritant product, we recommend the use of diphoterine solution. Regarding hydrofluoric acid, in particular, diphoterine has a limited use on HF. Do not hesitate to visit our website for more information on how they work. Thank you and have a good day.